I'm Bella Popaduke, your neighborhood reporter in McLennan County. Officials here at the Waco-McLennan County Emergency Management Office are asking you to get involved to help keep our community safe. The county is working on its hazard mitigation plan for the next 5-year cycle to prepare for the things we can't control.
Hey, that hurt. What can we do to make it hurt less? That's another way of looking at mitigation.
Tim Jeske is the assistant coordinator at the Waco-McLennan County Office of Emergency Management. What are some of those natural hazards we have in McLennan County?
Sure. So we profile tornadoes, wildfires, flooding, earthquakes will be one in this upcoming plan that we're working on now.
He's part of the team working on our county's updated hazard mitigation plan.
We identify natural hazards and then actions that can be taken to mitigate the impact, or that is to reduce the impact from the hazard.
He tells me earthquakes are new to this year's plan. Although he says our risk for an earthquake is extremely low, they still consider everything.
One of the earthquake mitigation strategies we might consider would be public education. You know, as most people don't think about earthquakes here, maybe we do an education campaign.
The plan goes through a 5-year cycle, last updated in 2019. Tim tells me they rely on residents' feedback to put the plan together.
From 2019 to now, the hazards are generally the same, right? We still have tornadoes, fires, floods, things like that.
He says after the big winter storm a couple years ago, everyone is more aware of the threats it can bring.
We have seen in that period from 2020 to now, Winter Storm Uri. And so, I think when we're going through this process, we hear more about, hey, winter storm, I think, is a higher hazard, because we recently lived through one of those a few years ago.
The Office of Emergency Management is encouraging all our neighbors to fill out their survey, telling them what threats and hazards you see in your neighborhood. We'll have that form linked in this article on our website. In McLennan County, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Bella Popaduke.